Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials, your device model, iOS version, and that you are signed into an Apple ID. Once done, back up the device so you can restore if anything goes wrong. Make sure you have the legitimately signed app binary or source ready. This is critical because an unsigned or altered app causes the verification error. Now go to Settings so you can inspect profiles and be ready to trust a developer certificate when installation begins. After deleting the app and restarting, reinstall using an official channel, App Store or Test Flight when available, or sideload using Xcode if you built the app yourself. Once the app is installed, go straight to Settings, General, Profiles and Device Management, and locate the developer certificate associated with that app. Tap Trust and Confirm. You do this because iOS blocks code it cannot verify. Trusting the certificate tells the system the source is allowed. Letting the app run. Now launch the app and accept any permission prompts. If the verification error persists, the usual culprits are an expired or mismatched certificate. Re-sign the app with a valid provisioning profile or rebuild and install again through Xcode. Make sure device date and time are set automatically. Incorrect time can break certificate validation. If nothing works, revoke the old certificate in your developer account and issue a fresh one. Then re-sign and reinstall. This resolves most stubborn verification problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.